are you in class 12th right now and confused how you should start your preparation for IMCT and sponsorship for this upcoming August 2025 batch, and at the same time ये सोच रहे हो कि अगर preparation चालू भी कर दिया तो how should I manage my 12th standard studies as well. So don't worry, today I'll be guiding y'all and discussing on this topic as well, and I'll be telling y'all how you can manage your 12th standard studies as well as your preparation for this upcoming August 2025 batch. So hi guys, my name is Agnima Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. Alright, first if I talk about the competition which we have in this IMCT examination, I believe जिन लोग ने मेरा previous videos देख लिया हमारे YouTube channel में, you all will be quite familiar with this. We have a lot of like competition in this IMCT and sponsorship examinations, I would say, because like the number of applicants applying in the past 3-4 years has been increasing, but the number of seats are more or less the same. So competition तो आपको बहुत मिलने वाला है. Like you have to prepare very well for this upcoming batch. I have been coming across a lot of students like जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छे shipping companies से अपना sponsorship clear किया था. They were sponsored from good shipping companies, but the only reason why they couldn't go and take admission in this August batch and also didn't get shifted to this February batch was just because they didn't secure an IMCT rank. IMCT rank is a mandatory thing. You have to have it if in case you want to like pursue any undergraduate pre-C course in India. So if in case you're aiming to attain a 3-digit rank in IMCT next year and also getting yourself sponsored from a good shipping company, what I would recommend you is you should start preparing from today itself. Even if you're in class 12th right now, I know you are like wanting to complete your board examinations first and then switch to your like IMCT and sponsorship preparation, but take it from me, it will not be very helpful if you start your preparation that late, and I have valid reasons for that. So अगर हम एक बहुत simple से example ले लेते हैं, a lot of students have this thing in their mind कि मैं अपना 12th का board examinations दे देता हूँ, उसके बाद I will start my preparation and I will go in for IMCT or sponsorship, because they have this thing in their mind कि जून महीने में हमारा IMCT होता है and February तक हमारा board examinations तो हो ही जाएगा. So here's the thing, as soon as you sit in for your board examinations in the month of February, already a lot of companies like Anglo Eastern and Great Eastern and Synergies forms will be out. So बहुत सारे बच्चों को पता भी नहीं रहता, फॉर्म बाहर आ जाते हैं एंड चले भी जाती है. February March में almost a lot of many of the shipping companies release their external as well as internal forms in various colleges as well. So form filling you have to do it very promptly while you are giving in like your board examinations as well. जैसे ही आपका board examinations खत्म होगा, you will start preparing for your sponsorship written examinations. आप वो दोगे तुरंत उसके बाद आपका टाइम आ जाएगा IMCT का and you will be sitting in for the IMCT examination. उस short टाइम में आप इतना हेक्टिक हो जाएगा आपके लिए, लाइक यू विल बी अपियरिंग फॉर 3-4 कंपनीज, सबका आपको अलग अलग रिटन एग्जामिनेशंस देना पड़ेगा, ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज लाइक एंग्लो, फ्लीट, सिनर्जी, दे कंडक्ट देयर एग्जाम्स इन ऑफलाइन मोड. तो आप उन सब के प्रिपरेशन, उन सब में अपियर होने के लिए आप बिजी रहोगे. इसी बीच आपको कंपनी मेल भी कर देगी कि यू हैव क्लियर्ड योर रिटन एग्जामिनेशंस एंड नाउ यू हैव टू कम इन फॉर योर इंटरव्यू. तो आप वहाँ पे टेंस हो जाओगी कि हाउ शुड आई नाउ प्रिपेयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू पार्ट. तो फिर इसी बीच में वापस जून में आपका IMCT एग्जामिनेशंस भी आ जाएगा. बहुत केओटिक एंड बहुत हेक्टिक सा शेड्यूल रहता है अगर आप अपना प्रिपरेशन या जो भी है आप बोर्ड के बाद चालू करने का सोचते हो. सो दैट इज द होल रीजन व्हाई वी ऑल मेंटर्स एट बडिंग मरीनर्स रेकमेंड यू ऑल टू स्टार्ट टुडे इटसेल्फ, क्योंकि अभी से नॉलेज गैदर करोगे तो अभी से आपको आइडिया रहेगा कि कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं स्पॉन्सरशिप एग्जामिनेशन, कैसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे IMCT के लिए. एंड रिटन पार्ट के लिए अगर आप प्रिपेयर्ड रहोगे, अभी से अगर इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करोगे, यू विल गिव योर मॉक इंटरव्यूज अगेन एंड अगेन, प्रैक्टिस फॉर द सेम. इट विल बी लाइक अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग फॉर यू. अभी से अगर रोज रोज मॉक इंटरव्यूज लोगे तो जब एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू का टाइम आएगा तो आपको बहुत ऐसा इजी सा लगेगा. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी ऑल टेल यू ऑल टू लाइक स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन एंड स्टार्ट गैदरिंग नॉलेज फ्रॉम टुडे. इट्स the 5th batch. And for people who are seeking for guidance from mentors like us and want to prepare with the right material, the PYQs, the specific materials, want like guidance from company specific mentors, what I would recommend you all is you should get yourself enrolled in our upcoming foundation batches, where we are preparing our students for the 2025 IMCT as well as sponsorship examinations. We have unlimited mock interviews, mock tests, like proper IMCT based proctored interface tests, where we also get all these budding mariner students to sit in and give a national level mock test. Apart from these, we have our live lectures whose recordings are also provided in our batches as well. And apart from this, we also have features like English English comprehensive training, and we have 4,500 plus DPPs with video solutions and many more. So if in case you want to get yourself enrolled in our batches, again you can just fill in the form in the description box below and get in touch with mentors like us. So apart from this, if you have any doubts, you can just let me know in the comments down below. Until then, stay tuned for the next informative video. And yes, thank you and have a great day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर exams के लिए motivation चाहिए? Then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for Imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.